Hi everyone, you're welcome to our channel. My name is Faith and this is Being Real with Faith channel. You're welcome. Now let's dive in. We have something very important to talk about, which is this. Can you see it? This is garlic. I know so many of us, we have garlic in our kitchen. We use it for so many things. But today we're talking about garlic used to reduce or help to lower the cholesterol level in our body. Does it really help? Does garlic really help? We are talking about it today. So let's dive in. First, before I explain to you what garlic does and can it be used to reduce or lower the cholesterol level, number one, you must understand what is cholesterol. But today in this video, I'll be talking to you, explaining to you what is cholesterol. Is cholesterol good in the body? Why is it bad? The types of cholesterol, then the clinical signs and symptoms of this cholesterol, then how can it be managed, how can it be treated, and then we'll now talk about garlic used to help. Does it work or it doesn't, or it's just a hype? So let's dive in. Now, cholesterol. Anytime you hear the word cholesterol, the first thing that should come to your mind is fat. Yes, cholesterol, they are fat-like substance in the body. Now, a lot of people said it's not good to be fat. Fat is this, fat is not healthy, fat is bad. Is fat really bad? In today's video, I am here to tell you that fat is not bad, but too much of fat is bad in the body. Yes, too much, in fact, too much of everything is bad. Now, is cholesterol really bad? Is fat really bad? No. You need some cholesterol in your body to help build healthy cells, make hormone, and help in digestion. So, fat or cholesterol is not bad, but too much of it is bad. Now, we have two major types of cholesterol. Number one, we have the LDL, and number two, we have the HDL. Now, the LDL is called the bad cholesterol. Now, the LDL is called low density lipoprotein, and the HDL is called the high density lipoprotein. Now, when you talk about the LDL, what it does, first, anytime you hear the word lipoprotein, the first thing that should come to your mind is lipo. The word lipo is fat or lipids, and then protein. You understand? Now, the coming together of lipid and protein is called lipoprotein. Now, the properties of this is the one that convey the cholesterol to your bloodstream. But when this LDL becomes too much, what it does is that it sticks to your artery walls. And when it sticks to the artery walls, it forms plaque. And when it forms plaque, it narrows your arteries. And when it narrows your arteries, it then results to what we popularly known as heart attack or stroke. I take it again. This LDL, they help to convey cholesterol to the bloodstream because cholesterol on its own cannot dissolve in the blood. So it needs the help of LDL to convey the cholesterol, to help in moving the cholesterol to the bloodstream. And now, when this LDL becomes too much, it sticks to the artery wall. When it sticks to the artery wall, it then forms a plaque. When it forms a plaque, it then narrows the artery. When it narrows the artery, remember, when something narrows something, it gets stuck. So when this LDL gets stuck, it then forms a plaque and then narrows the artery, which is the passageway. When the passageway becomes blocked, then we now have what we call heart attack or stroke. Now, let's talk about garlic. Does garlic help to lower the cholesterol level? The answer is yes. Why? Research has found that there is a property in garlic called allicin. This property will help flush out toxins from your body. This allicin will help lower your cholesterol level. It will help flush out excess cholesterol in the body. So when you take garlic, it will help prevent high cholesterol. And if you are already experiencing high cholesterol, it will help lower it. It will help lower it. If your cholesterol level is not too high, it's still at the early stage, you notice it at early stage, and like I said, you can dictate it, either is acute or chronic, based on your checkup. That is why I advise people go for checkup at least once in 3 months, once in 6 months. Go for checkup, know what is happening in your body, know what is going wrong and what is right in your body. Garlic is good. Now, how do you take garlic? How do you take garlic to lower the cholesterol level? Now, you are going to take 2 pieces. Remember, you see this garlic, this is the big one. There are ones that are smaller than this. Don't know if you can see it. There are ones that are smaller than this. If you have these big ones, you can take 3 or 2. You will grate it or pound it or blend it, whichever one is conducive for you. Then add it, add hot water to it and take in the morning. Take it in the morning before food. Why is advisable to take it in the morning before food? Is because you are sending it to do a particular thing in your body. This garlic is going into your body to help flush out something you don't want in your body. Taking food before you take it lowers the work. It lowers the operation. It lowers how it's going to be effective in your body. But if you take it before food, you have a high chances that it's going to do the exact work you want it to do. You will take it before food, 20 minutes or 30 minutes before food, you will take it. Second way on how to take this garlic to lower cholesterol is you will grate it, take 3 of it. If you are having the small garlic, the small size, you will take like 5. But for this kind, this big one, you take like 3 or 2. You will grate it, add hot water, not too hot, not too cold, at minimal, normal warm water. Add it to this grated garlic. Add honey. The third way in which you can use garlic to lower your cholesterol level is warm water, honey, and then lemon. Adding lemon to your warm water, garlic, and then honey will do a perfect job for you. Lemon on its own has its own work it does in the body. All these things are going to be discussed in this channel, and that is why you need to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and like this video, so that when videos like this comes up, YouTube is going to notify you. So as I was saying, warm water, grate 3 pieces of garlic, add 1 tablespoon of honey. If you have lemon, add it, 1 tablespoon of lemon. If you don't, no problem, just your honey. In case you don't have honey, still not a problem. Use your warm water and garlic. It will help you lower that cholesterol level. But you cannot say because you have garlic, you are not going to live right. You are not going to eat right. No. All these things I have mentioned earlier, incorporate it into your healthy lifestyle, into your daily routine, and it will help you stay hydrated, cut down on sugar, exercise, eat food that contains fiber, reduce excess oil. Incorporating all this in your health routine, it will help you, not just that cholesterol level, it will help you take away toxins from your body. It will help treat infection. It will help so many things. It will even help you in weight loss. Yes, garlic, lemon, and honey is known as an effective mechanism that help in weight loss. And remember, when you are losing weight, you are losing cholesterol, excess packed of cholesterol in your body. I believe you've learned 1 or 2 things in this video, and that is why I will urge you again to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and thumbs up this video so that YouTube can recommend it to people that are having issues with cholesterol level. Remember, high cholesterol is deadly because it can cause heart attack or stroke. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.